So this Toyota Prius C, the high voltage battery is below the rear passenger seat. And it is air cooled, where you can see a blower that sucks in air from the interior cabin and goes into the bottom of the high voltage battery. And because hot air rises, the air will flow up on past the battery and into the exhaust exit there, which we see, and it goes out of the vehicle. So typically, because this battery is considered as a small size, it can be air cooled. But if you're talking about EVs, where the batteries take the entire floor of the vehicle, it has to be coolant cooled, right? So that's different, because air cool would not be sufficient enough to be able to cool the high voltage battery of the EVs. Now, if you see here, the orange color cable, so it connects, or it comes from underneath the car on the floorboard, and it goes into the high voltage battery. So this cable supplies the direct current into the inverter and the engine bay. Now you also see another black wire casing that comes sit on the same path as the orange color cable. However, it links further to the right onto the 12-volt battery. So this basically is also 12-volt current that comes from the inverter into the battery. So in other words, high voltage goes into the inverter, and the inverter steps down into a 12-volt, which comes back to the 12-volt battery. That's how the 12-volt battery is charged. Because for hybrid vehicles, they do not have any alternators. So the only way to charge the 12-volt battery is through the inverter stepping down to 12-volt, and then you charge the 12-volt battery. So once you remove everything, you will be able to remove the high voltage battery for servicing. Now, we have basically come to the end of this demonstration. So I've shared with you the tools that are required when working on high voltage vehicle. So it has to be insulated tools and adequate safety signs, safety warnings to warn people that this is a high voltage area. In other words, only people that have knowledge or have gone through formal training can work on high voltage vehicle. I have also shared with you on the components of this Toyota Prius C, where you have the inverter as well as the internal combustion engine. And I've also showed you how to remove the service plug of this Toyota C using the one-hand rule. Okay, always remember, these are safety aspects because we are working on very high voltage, which may be easily cause electrical shock to a person if there's leakage. Right? So we've come to the end of this demonstration. Thank you guys. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.